MudRFunR here. Today I'll be doing a shot on my old camera because I'm doing a little bit of a review on this JVC. This is the one that I got right there. Not one of the better quad 4 cameras, but nonetheless it is a quad 4. So if you see down here on the left it says waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof. 5-hour recording time. So far the battery's been really good with it, and I'm about to check out the waterproof. So I had this at Melbourne at the mud bog. Not the dirtiest that my cameras have ever gotten, but this is the first time with this camera out, and I'm going to do a cleaning test the way that they tell you to clean it. So here's the instruction page, and these are the cleaning instructions right there. So this is the only camera that I've ever owned that it says for cleaning instructions: rinse with clean water, soak the camera in a container filled with enough water to immerse the camera completely, and rinse it gently. Leave it in there for about 10 minutes. So, see if we can get all that mud off of this thing. I've already got a container with water in it, just plain cold water. And first off, before immersing this, you want to make sure that this back cover is fully closed. Let's do what they tell us. Immerse it. There it is. So I'm going to leave that rinsing in there for about 10 minutes. You can already see some of the dirt falling off of it. And after 10 minutes I'll give it a rinse. So it's been about 10 minutes. And it says just to kind of swish it around in the water. Rinse it off as best as you can. With a clean cloth, wipe it off. And this is pretty sticky mud, so it might take a little bit to get that off. Clean there. So what do you think? Looking not too bad, eh? Fairly clean. Pretty wet. Some more dirt left on there yet. Not really supposed to scrub, but with this kind of mud you really have no choice. So I'm going to open up the lens cover, and not too much dirt in there. I'm just going to close it back up, and then it says to run your zoom button a few times. I'll probably do that underwater too. Just hitting the zoom button back and forth, and open and close the cover. And now you're supposed to stand it up on end like this on a cloth to let the microphone dry out, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I messed up on one of the steps here. I was actually supposed to wipe this dry first and then stand it up like this to let the microphone dry out. Let it sit about 10 minutes like that on a dry cloth. And the only thing I didn't do was I was supposed to wipe it while it was still damp. So I'm gonna go over it with a damp cloth again, and then with a dry cloth, because I did this wrong. Okay. Lens looks nice and clean. And dry out the button there. And the zoom button, dry it out. Still got some mud stains on it, but that's probably to be expected. And then it says to clean the screen and dry that off. So this thing is clean and dry, and just doing a little test clip right here. See how it works, see if the microphone works and everything else. So this is being filmed on my JVC about a week after it had its bath, and it's been working great, no issues whatsoever. So just behind me, I'm working on this little composting video. Stay tuned. I'll put a link up there once it's posted. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and subscribe if you did, and please hit the like button. It really helps me out. Thank you.